Okay, on this video, I'm going to show you how you go about doing the quizzes for the balanced equations. Because some of you make a big mistake on problem number 2, the second problem, and I just want to work through and show you how you're going to do this. So on number 1, this type of problem, you're going to do what I call translation. You're going to turn each word into a chemical symbol and then, of course, balance the equation. So for silver nitrate, first thing you have to do is write the correct binary compound. So I always go and I look. Silver is +1, nitrate is -1. Copper is an element, and it's not on the list of diatomics, so you just leave it as copper. Copper 2, the Roman numeral, is +2. Nitrate is -1, and silver is an element, and it's not on our list. So now I can start looking at silver is Ag, and nitrate is NO3. Since the two oxidation numbers add to 0, you just put them together. Copper, Cu, yields. Don't forget all your little plus and symbols in your yields arrow. Here we have copper, nitrate, and since they don't, we're going to do a cross. So the 2 has to come down here, and the 1 would come over here. We don't write 1s, and since we have 2 nitrates, you got to have 2. And then silver. Now I'm going to balance. So I have 1 silver, that's okay. I have 1 nitrate group here, but I have 2. So if I end with 2, I have to start with 2. And remember, the 2 can only go in front of whatever that's attached to the nitrate. So that also makes me now have 2 silvers over here on the product side. I have 1 copper, 1 copper. So this now is balanced. Number 2, this problem is the one that you guys tend to mess up on, because I've given you the first part. I've written the symbols out, and they're written correctly. You got to trust me, they are written correctly. So I have silver nitrate plus zinc chloride gives me silver chloride plus zinc nitrate. And all you're going to need to do now is balance. So I count. I have 1 silver, okay? 1 nitrate group here, but 2. So now I need 2. So the 2's got to go in front. That coefficient number goes in front of whatever the nitrate's attached to. That means now I have 2 silvers over here, but that gives me 2 chlorines, but I have 2. So that makes it balanced. And my zinc is 1 and 1. So this one is balanced. You don't have to write out words on this problem. You just balance it. And then the last one, I've given you a compound. You need to give me its name. So NH4 is ammonium. And if it's ending in S, it's sulfur, but we don't usually name compounds ammonium sulfur. It's going to be ending in sulfide. We usually put that "ide" ending. So on this one, to get the bonus, this was +1 for the first part named right, and +1 for the second. So you could have got a total of +2 points on this. Then, okay, so that's how the quizzes are going to work. And it's always that second problem that I see people miss on all the time.